What's up guys, today we're going to clean my bike. I'm going to tell you everything about my bike. It's shit weather right now. We got dusty here, toilet paper over there, and let's fucking clean it. So I will start with the top of my bike because there's the most dirt at this moment. Yesterday I rode with a friend of mine through a storm. It was like heavy weather and it was terrible. I was under a bridge. I'm gonna show you a clip right now. Because it rained just through my glasses, underneath on my face, and it hurted like hell. There we go. In the meantime, let me tell you something about my bike, because as you guys know, I'm working on it like for over a couple of days, let's say weeks, because I've done some more tuning on my bike lately. It's almost finished. There is only one sticker set, or called livery, I don't know, and that will be here anytime, I guess. So that's amazing. But let's just clean it for now, because I don't like my bike getting dirty. I think no one does. And if you don't clean up your bike, you should start doing it. Oh yeah, keep in mind, definitely buy Dusty. Like, it's not sponsored by Dusty, but this shit is crazy. I just sweep it one time and everything is gone. Oh, alright, let's go. That's all clean and set to go. Alright, so let me tell you something about this bike, because it's not just a normal bike. It's a 50cc. I know some of you guys say, why don't you buy in 125 or go higher, 250, 450? In my country here in the Netherlands, we can't. We start at our 16 with a moped driver license, and we can only ride 50cc. When we turn 18, we can get our A1 driver license. That's for a motorcycle with only 125cc. And when we turn 20, we can go for A2, and that's when you go drive a bigger and heavier motorcycle. And after that, you can go for your full A, and you could drive every motorcycle you want. But for now, it's just 50cc. But it's not just a normal 50cc, it's a stage 6 fast 50cc. It's an aluminium cylinder. It's still pretty quick for a 50cc. Yeah, I've done some shit to my bike. As you guys can see, the rims are different. They are normally black, but I bought from AliExpress some white strings, if you say it like that, and now it's white. Also, there is a new seat, and it's not matching right now. I know this livery isn't matching with the seat, but soon there will be a new livery and it will match perfectly. Also, there is some text on my wheels. I did it with a pen. It took me 2 hours per wheel. It was terrible. I don't have to clean my chain because I did it yesterday. There's a little bit of recoil on there. That's what you want. Also, there is a new power filter on there. I already had the carburetor. That's a 19mm from Polini, so that's good, I guess. And yeah, I like the quick gas. The quick gas is something different, man. I like it so much. Oh. Alright, let's go clean it. So let's start with some Dusty on there. Just wipe it very good. Man, this is so awkward, talking to you guys while I'm just cleaning my bike. What is the point of this video? I swear. I have so much content to make, and what I'm doing, going to film, I'm cleaning my bike and tell you guys what's on my bike and what will be on my bike. And oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, but I'm going to start with my A1, so that's my motorcycle license, driver license. So stay tuned, will probably be filmed by me, because yeah, why not? Alright, that looks disgusting. Why is there like a, what the fuck? Why is this black? Alright, that's better. That's way better. Yeah, I like it. Oh, so you guys want to know what's under my bike? Yeah, it's a Voca Rookie. It's the best exhaust you can get for a 50cc, I guess. Now, there might be some better exhaust, but I think it's a 5070, so that's for 50cc, 70cc. It has a high range, and I think it's perfect for my bike. Yeah, I like it. Looks pretty hard, right? It's only 50cc. You can do wheelies on it. Wink, you can't say my wink, fuck. Yeah, I like it.
Bro.